Have you ever stood at a crossroads in life, heart pounding, mind racing with questions, which path do I choose? What if I fail? What if nothing works out? The future feels like a vast, uncharted ocean, and you're in a small boat, unsure which way the currents will carry you. You clutch your plans tightly, but uncertainty still seeps in, whispering doubt with every breath. You try to shelter yourself with careful planning, lists, backup plans, advice from friends. Yet each choice spawns new what ifs. A job change feels risky. What if I lose security? A relationship crossroads. What if my heart breaks? Even small decisions, moving cities, starting a hobby, carry shadows of what if I regret this? In these moments, fear tightens around your chest. You feel paralyzed, stuck between desire and dread, unable to move forward or find peace in staying put. But what if that very uncertainty is an invitation? In the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna speaks to Arjuna in the midst of his crisis, caught between duty and dread. He doesn't promise that all becomes clear at once. Instead, he guides us to stand steady amid doubt. Today, let's walk that path, from fear of the unknown towards steady trust, anchored in Krishna's timeless wisdom. In chapter 2, verse 48, Krishna says, Yogastha kuru karmani sangam tyaktva dhananjay. Siddha siddhyoha samo bhutva samatvam yog uchyate. Perform your duty, established in yoga, abandoning attachment, be equal in success and failure. This equanimity is called yoga. Established in yoga means rooted in steady awareness, not tossed by every wave of emotion. Abandoning attachment does not mean apathy or not caring. It means acting wholeheartedly but without binding your peace to outcomes. Imagine planting a seed. You water it, nurture it, but you cannot force it to bloom overnight. You trust the process, sun, soil, rain, while staying open to whatever unfolds. Similarly, when decisions feel uncertain, you engage fully, make your choice, give it your best, yet remain open to the result, knowing your inner worth isn't defined by success or failure. Be equal in success and failure. Krishna invites us to hold our hearts lightly. When things go well, remain humble. When setbacks arise, remain composed. Think of a traveler on a winding mountain path. When the view is stunning, the traveler savors it without clinging. When the trail is rocky, the traveler endures without despair. In uncertainty, this equanimity becomes our anchor. It doesn't erase fear, but it softens its grip. Instead of letting fear paralyze us, we learn to move with steadiness, trusting that each step, whether uphill or downhill, shapes our character and brings us closer to divine presence. Let me share a story. A seeker once told Krishna, I want clarity before I act. Krishna replied, clarity arises in the doing. The seeker hesitated before a new path, teaching, moving cities, or creative work. Each time, fear whispered reasons to wait. Krishna guided, take the step with sincerity. Even if the outcome surprises you, you'll learn and grow. So the seeker acted without full certainty, heart open, mind steady. Sometimes the result delighted beyond expectation, other times doors closed sooner than hoped. Yet each experience enriched the seeker's understanding of resilience, humility, and inner guidance. Over time, uncertainty ceased to be a blockade, it became a doorway to deeper trust. You too can practice this equanimity. Pause and breathe. When a decision stirs anxiety, pause. Take 3 deep, mindful breaths. Feel your heart beating. Remind yourself, you can act from presence, not panic. Set intention, not outcome. Clearly set your intention. I will act with honesty and dedication. Release fixation on a particular result. Visualize lightness in your chest. Small experiments. If big choices overwhelm you, start small. Try a new habit, speak a truth, explore a possibility. Notice feelings of resistance, acknowledge them, then step forward anyway. Reflect afterwards, whatever happens, journal or reflect. What did I learn? How did I grow? Gratitude for the lesson fosters steady heart. Over time, as you practice acting without clinging, you'll feel less tethered to results. Fear of the unknown still visits, that's human. But each time you choose action with equanimity, you strengthen inner trust. You begin to see uncertainty as a canvas, not a threat. You respond to challenges with greater clarity, turning surprises into opportunities for insight. In this flow, you discover a deeper peace, your sense of self remains steady, come success or setback. This is Krishna's gift, freedom within the ever-changing dance of life. So when you stand at life's crossroads again, remember, real clarity often blooms in the journey, not before it begins. Act with sincerity, rooted in yoga, steady awareness. Release attachment to a single outcome, and hold your heart lightly. Krishna walks beside you in every uncertain step, guiding without forcing, loving without judgment. Embrace the unknown as an invitation to deepen your trust in yourself and trust in the divine. After all, when you surrender outcomes with equanimity, you discover every path leads home.